Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
All right, so now we're going to talk about editing. First rule is you don't have to edit. All right, you don't have to edit. However, editing is a part of making a better video. If you want to start out with just some 1-minute videos and you don't edit, there are times I just look at my video after doing all those practice videos. Sometimes I look, I go, hey, that's not bad. I'm not going to edit it at all, right? That could be you. So you could edit it as part of a better video, but you can do nothing. Now, I'm going to put down some editing software that I use. I use ScreenPal, I use Filmora, and you could do it, or you can pay somebody to do it. You can go to Fiverr.com and find somebody who will edit it for a really affordable price. This year, haven't used it yet, but I went to Udemy, an academy, and you could find training classes free to $5 and $10. I think mine cost me $10 to learn how to use Filmora. No, I haven't used it yet, but I will, right? So you might want to get something that can help you too. If you're somebody who is really good about that, then congratulations.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.